Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're vlogging outside in our backyard. We just ran up the hill. Yeah. That's why we're breathing so loud. We're just going to do a tour of our animals. Oh yeah, this is our dog.
Stepped and leaves. Are you going to tell them their name?
Oh yeah, his name is Trigger. He's a hunting dog.
And he's peeing currently. Or
He
pooping.
is? No, he's not.
What?
Okay. So, that is our sheep. His name is River. Ow! Come on, come on. There's River. And then up here, the brown one, his name is Dragon. This one right here, his name is Milo. This one, his name is Woody. And fun fact, they smell so bad because they pee on themselves.
Yeah. He scared me.
Look how fat he is.
Wow, he's thick.
He's a thick boy. Say hello.
Gonna eat the phone.
They have a little playhouse to go in. The boys. Oh, yeah, these are all boys down here.
These are the homies.
We keep them separated so they don't have babies.
Yeah, these are the homies.
Then they have this ball that they're scared of. Look, watch. Oh, watch River. Come on, give it to me. Oh my God.
Ooh, there's a lot of sticks.
Okay.
I am the brave and mighty warrior.
Okay. Can you film the goats?
Okay. Look. Look.
Now, we're going to go up to the girls. We have them. Oh yeah, I already told you that. We have them separated because we don't want them to have babies again. No, hold on, stop. You don't do that. You don't do that. You do that and don't come out. What in the world? I have it pulled up. No, you don't do that. That doesn't do anything. You hooked it.
Yeah, I hooked it.
My gosh, no wonder I couldn't get it. Okay, so we're up at the girls now. Okay,
Hey, look
this.
at him. Hey.
Okay, that one's name is Sage. This one's name is Midnight.
He's a meanie.
Yes, look at those horns. She got one curved and she like rams people.
He's the devil.
Okay, then this is Savannah. Then this is Summer.
And look at his beard. I mean, her beard. Look at that.
Summer
Someone
is
guessed
the
it.
mom of Sage. Midnight is the mom of Savannah. And they have this.
Someone's got a beautiful beard. Just saying. I love chicken.
Oh yeah, we also have chickens.
Chicken. The chicken. Hey, look at them. They're up on the thingy.
Oh yeah, they're on their roosting nest. Not nest.
And then he's gonna become a YouTube star one day.
Rooster Man.
Nah, him. He all prepared.
The almighty.
Yeah, the almighty YouTube chicken.
And this is how we...
He's gonna be the next PewDiePie.
Yes. This is how we do their water. It's not on, Cannon.
Oh yeah, it's not on. I dropped it in there.
And then that's the chicken's water and food.
Yeah.
Then we put the girls' food right here. And we don't give them a trough because they just knock it down. So we put it on that little wood plank.
Dude, look at his.
Where's River? Where's River?
Over there.
Oh. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you my cat.
Oh yeah.
If I can even find him.
Yeah. What's his name?
Miss Whiskers. He's a black and white cat. Bad luck. I live with bad luck, basically. Oh yeah, our chicken coop is tearing up.
Ah!
My dad's gonna have to build a new one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they also have a trampoline. Oh my gosh! Whoa! So, basically a guide if you want to get goats, just build a big pen where there's a lot of grass because they will mow it.
Yes.
That's why all of it was like that.
That's what they're miniature lawnmowers.
Yes. Even though they're almost the size of some lawnmowers.
No. You pick up their legs and then you just walk and they'll be like mowing the grass. Be like.
My dad blew the leaves yesterday, and there's a huge pile. Oh! My mom's grocery order's ready, so we're gonna have to end this on 20 minutes. I was gonna do 25, but we'll have to end it on 20.
End it on the swings, baby.
Not really, because it's only been 8 minutes, so we're not really gonna end it on the swings. Hopefully Whiskers just comes walking up or something.
Yeah.
One day I was like jumping in my swing. It was yesterday, and I fell out of my swing. It was on that one.
This one, that one.
Yeah. Oh, I kicked the ball.
Wait, what are you doing this? What are you doing this?
No, I was doing like this, like
Oh.
jumping.
Oh, like this? Like
Yeah. Yeah.
that?
That is my bike. It's almost dead.
So is me. Oh, wait, what? No.
I said my bike, and you're not a bike.
Yeah, and I'm not on
It's a cloudy day.
But it looks nice.
My dad is redoing the porch.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, redoing. He's not just adding on.
No, I'm pretty sure he's adding on.
He's adding on and redoing. He decided that like 2 days ago.
But
Well, no, 2 weeks ago. I said days. Cannon, we've got to take them a ride down this.
Yes. I want go. I want
It's under there. The other sled is under the trampoline. If you want that one. Okay, so we have this big hill in our backyard, and we get sleds and go down it.
Yeah. I want to go first.
No. Oh, I hit a stump of dirt. Hold on, I'm gonna video you coming down. Yeah, I'm ready. That's a way to do it. What?
Look at that.
What? Your shoe?
No, right here.
Oh my gosh.
Get out the way! Get out the way!
That slide, that thing doesn't do good.
I have my deal.
Water. This is a real weird swing. Real weird contraption. Oh my gosh, the rope. You okay?
Yeah, I'm tired. Whee! I'm Tarzan, swinging through the trees.
You are?
Yes, I'm Tarzan, swinging through the trees. Woo! Ah!
Hold on, keep doing that, keep doing that.
I'm Tarzan, swinging through the trees.
My dad and Poppy built this for us.
Here, wait. You want to see something really cool? Fine. Wait. Go ultra fast. Go. Ah! Wait, here, pick off a piece of wood.
Is that what you're trying to do?
Here, wait. If I... Ooh. Ah!
You okay?
Yeah. Wait. Back in.
We might actually have to end this at 15. So let's go do something else.
My fingers. They hurt holding on to that rope.
Let's do something else let's go trampoline.
Trampoline?
Yeah.
I want a video on trampoline.
Hold on. I'm gonna video first. Oh. Hold on, look what video me.
Okay.
Look what we do. Oh.
Oh, so you like bounce down and like zip it up. So you're like, ready? I'm gonna take them on a front flip. I'm gonna take them on a journey doing a front flip. Ready? This is from my side. Oh! Front flip time. Ooh, okay.
Okay, that was fun.
In the leaves. In the leaves, dude.
What's this?
Dude, look at me. I got leaves. I got a leaf. I think I got a leaf on this side. Nope.
And then, like,
And then look. Look at my foot. You're a foot. You know that? You're a foot. You're a foot. Front flip. Front flip. Ready? Ready? I'm a front flip. Ready?
gosh, hold on.
Ah! Ah, I landed on a stick too.
Hold on, I want a video front flip.
Yeah, video front flip. Well, I didn't think about doing video front flip like that.
Hold on, I gotta do it better.
Must do it better.
Oh! Okay.
I think it's harder holding the phone.
Yeah.
Ready?
It's
Ready?
real hard. You can't use
Ready?
both of your arms.
Ready? Oh!
Sideways, but
Oh! Look, I can do it sideways. Like, look, film me doing it sideways. Ooh, did you see that
Yeah.
bounce? How I bounced down and then I got back up. Ooh, ooh! He's going full X Games mode. He's going full John Wick on us. Oh no! Ah! Ah! Look at that house. Wait, I want to do.
we might have to end this with a
Look,
super crazy jump on the swing. I mean, jump. Trampoline. Okay, Cannon. This is the end of the video. Show me your best jump.
Okay.
Oh! Bye, y'all.